So good morning children. Good morning everyone. So how are you fourth class children? Are you fine? I hope everyone is fine children. So children, how many lessons we have completed, do you know? So everyone is doing the work whatever I am giving and whatever I am telling for you, you are listening the lessons. So I am thinking you all are very good children, fourth class children, I know. So you will listen my words, whatever I am telling. So as well as what I am giving for you, okay? So whatever I am giving for you, that you all are listening it and you are doing it. So here, children, we have completed how many lessons, you know? So how many lessons we have completed? So here solid, liquid, gas are still 11 lessons, that is unit 4 units we have been completed. So first, that is first unit, what our surroundings, plants, habitat, food for plants, animals, habitat, reproduction in animals, uses of plants and animals. Next unit 2, our needs, that is safe drinking water, clothes to protect ours. Next our body, that unit, food and digestion, teeth and microbes. The fourth unit, that is matter and materials, still yesterday we have been completed, that is soil and soil. Next one, solid, liquid, gaseous. So till yesterday we have completed. Now we are moving to the unit 5. So now we are moving to the unit 5 children. So what is the unit 5? Unit 5 we are moving to the lesson, that is unit 5. So what is the lesson unit 5? That is force moving objects. So here unit 5 is moving objects. So here moving ante entidi, from one place to another place the objects will be moved, that is known as moving objects. Here is given lesson number 12, we are moving to the lesson number 12, that is force, work and energy. So work, force and energy is the lesson name. So what is the lesson name? Work, force and energy. Force and entity, first we will the introduction, force. So force and entity, this is a chalk piece, if I throw, with the help of force only I will throw. The force of friction will go and it will be fall there wherever the force is going of our hand. Work, whatever we have done. Now what the work I am doing? Teaching for you. Next, energy. It is a energy to do anything. Balam anedi kavali manaki edana work cheyali. So this is the introduction of force, work and energy. So small introduction also here they will give. So now I will go to the lesson and children, everyone is reading and doing works. I am thinking you all are the very good children, I know that. So you will do whatever I will tell. So please do, keep concentrate and do interestly whatever works are there. If you are not understanding, then also you should do. Okay? Meer ardhamaina ardham kakapona you should read. If you don't have books, what it is request for you to take the books. Okay? So now I will start the class. We perform different activities every day. So in our daily life, we will perform so many of activities in every day. All the activities are related to the motion of objects. We sometimes lift the objects, pull the objects and push the things to make a stationary objects to move. A force is applied. So here all are the activities whatever do that is the related to the motion of the objects. Next, we sometimes lift these objects, pull, push of the things, pull. See now I am writing. This is I am giving the force to the chalk piece. So pulling, pull adante, if a bench undi I should pull it, push. We have to push it. So these are the things. So to make a stationary object works, మనకు ఒక ఏదన్నా ఎక్కువగా బలంతో కూడిన వర్క్ని చేయాలంటే we have to be forced to apply there. So I want to move this ఒక బెంచ్ ఉంది, బెంచ్ని తీసి అక్కడ పెట్టాలంటే వీ హ్యావ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ టు అప్లై దట్. సో నౌ ద ఫోర్స్, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ force. First we are revising about the force. Force is a push, pull or think action to make objects move. Force is, first of all, what is the force? Force అంటే ఏదన్నా గట్టిగా నూకడమా లేదంటే గట్టిగా దొబ్బడమా ఎత్తుకొని పోవడమా ఉన్నది. దిస్ ఈజ్ అ మేక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ యాక్షన్. Depend on the objection. Almari is there. So how much of it is where we have to pull or we have to take the little 4 members or 5 members, we have to take the object to another. So we want the force. Push cheyadaniki mana yokka balam kavali. So that is one of the example. If we throw the ball, so in the example I told for you, what is example first force kosam? Ball ni a bat ball, you know, everyone you will see the bat ball. How he will throw? He will come runningly and the force of his hand he will throw like this. So the force of a hand we want there. So mana yokka force we have, their force we want the force to throw, push to pull the ball by your hand and makes the ball move. So here the force, see how he is throwing the ball. Force may causes changes in the position or direction. Mana yokka direction as well as our will be changed. Mana yokka position లేదా మన యొక్క డైరెక్షన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్ ఇట్ స్ప్రెడ్, ఇట్స్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ స్పీడ్. సో మన యొక్క డైరెక్షన్ కానివ్వండి, మన యొక్క ఫోర్స్ కానివ్వండి, మన యొక్క ఇంక్రీజ్ కానివ్వండి, డిక్రీజ్ కానివ్వండి, ఇన్ విల్ బీ ఇన్ ద స్పీడ్. టేక్ ఏ లుక్ అట్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ షోన్ బిలో. సో ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చారు ఆఫ్ అ ఫోర్స్. బాల్ని ఏ బాయ్ ఈస్ థ్రోయింగ్. Next, here she is taking the lid of the bottle. Here he is taking the garbage or something and pulling it. Next, football ni tantunnadu. She is cycling. She is taking the door or she is taking the cupboard door. These are the, we have to keep force of our hand or whatever the మన యొక్క చేతు బలం ఉండాలి to pull or push. So this is the one of the pictures he given for the examples. Okay, here you are seeing now. Everyone is seeing no. So it is the force. What is meant by force? To push or pull. That action make our body, objects move. Okay. Next, in the nature there are 2 types of force that are action all the time, namely gravity and friction. So there are 2 types of force. How many force? 2 types. The first one is gravity. The second one is friction. Second one is friction, first one is gravity. So these are the 2 types of forces. So what is first one? Gravity. So now we will move to the gravity. What is meant by gravity? We will be learn now. How many types? 2 types, gravity and friction. Gravity ante endo chadudam. The force that pull or attracts objects toward the center of the earth is called gravity. The force that pull or an attractive object towards the center of the earth is called gravity. See here, okay, it is there, a ball is there. When we throw out on the ground, again it comes to the up. So this is the known as gravity. So అర్థమైందా? The pull between the earth and the object is the force of gravity. చూడండి ఇక్కడ a boy see. Here is a like this is playing. Again it is coming to the ground. Yes or no? So if we keep, so it will come again up. So this is the gravity. This is the known as gravity. The pull between the earth and the object is called force of gravity. ఈ యొక్క ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని పుల్ బిట్వీన్ ద ఎర్త్ అండ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్, ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బాల్ ప్లస్ బిట్వీన్ ద ఎర్త్ అండ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఫోర్స్ గ్రావిటీ. దీన్ని ఫోర్స్ గ్రావిటీ అంటారు. Gravity can move objects. So here the gravities, they will be move of the objects, they can be moved. When you jump up, the gravity causes to fall back to other. Manam ippudu example, once jump you, yes, jumping, again you will come to the back. Whenever you jump, you will come up. After that again you will come to the earth. That is known as gravity. Example given. When you throw a ball up in the air, the first goes up and then comes down to the earth. మనం ఇప్పుడు బాల్ ఉంటే దాన్ని కిందికి ఇసురుతాం, మళ్ళీ అది మీదికి వస్తుందా కిందనే పడుతుందా? when the force is force తోటి వేయండి కిందికి, it will come again up, again it will go to the down. When it is a overing of the force, దాని యొక్క గ్రావిటీ ఫోర్స్ తగ్గిపోతే అది కింద పడిపోతుంది. Fruits always fall down when they are ripe. You know, ఎప్పుడైతే బరువు చెట్టుకి కాయ బరువు అవుతుందో ఆ యొక్క కాయ కింద పడిపోతుంది. This is also one of the gravity. All this happens due to the gravity of gravitational force. Why? Because it is happening, it is when the earth is over of the gravity, it is next it is known as gravitational force. So now you understood what is meant by gravity. Yes, so the force when we go to the earth, so again it comes up between the earth and us object, this is known as gravity. So this all is known as gravitational force. Next, friction. The second one is friction. First we have learned about gravity, next our friction. When two surfaces are in the contact with each other, they extract a force is called force of friction. So here two objects, rendu objects contacts with each other. Two objects unnai, they contacts with each other. The extra force is known as force of friction. So two objects are there, so they will be contact with each other. So here they given the car, and here what is this? It is a ball. So it both the force and they both are contact with extra. This is known as force of friction on each other. Prati din paina. Okay. Each surface extracts a force of the opposite direction to others. The opposite direction to the both objects, that is maybe table and ball, that is the car is driving. That each force restricts the motion of the one surface on that others. That is why the force of friction is called force of resistance. Friction slow down movement. If there were no friction, anything that start moving would be never stop. So friction here what is saying, restricts the motion one of the others. That's why the force of friction is also force to the restrict. Friction slow down movement. When the friction is anything moving up, would be never be stop. So example, car is given, here the ball, when the here is given the table and the ball of the, here it is known as friction, force of friction. So next we will move to the another. Now two types of forces are there namely there are two types of force, that is gravity, next one is friction. Second one, so అందులో friction అయిపోయింది, gravity. In generally smoother material like glass or ice causes less friction, while rougher in materials like carpet produce more friction. So here like glass, low ice causes less friction, when the carpets and materials like they have more friction. Okay, this is the one of the example given here, children. So now we have been completed what? Force and force. Inka force lo two types of forces, gravity, friction. Dan tarvata we are going to the work ante entidi, force అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు, మళ్ళీ next we are moving to the work. So force are two types, there are gravity and friction. So how the friction will come and how the gravity will be move. Next we are moving to the work. So what is meant by work? So now we will move to the work. If a push or pull move an object to the distance, work is said to be done. A bird flying in the sky, playing, eating food, walking, etc. are the example of situation in which the work is in the progress. So what is mean by work? Whatever I am doing now work. What I am doing with the chalk piece, help of chalk piece I am doing. I am writing here. Something I am writing. This is also work. So whatever we use with our whole energy, ఏదన్నా చేతు కానివ్వండి కాలు కానివ్వండి, ఏదైనా మనం పని చేసే ఒక వర్క్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ వర్క్ సమ్. సో వీ విల్ రైట్ విత్ ద పెన్, వీ విల్ రైట్. సో హియర్ యూ గివెన్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ మై ఓన్. హియర్ పుష్ ఆర్ పుల్ మూవ్ ఆన్ ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ సెడ్ టు బి డన్. నేను చెప్పాను కదా, మనం చేసే ఒక వర్క్ పుల్ కానివ్వండి, పుష్ కానివ్వండి, ఏదైనా కానివ్వండి, టు ద డిస్టెన్స్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ సెడ్ టు బి డన్. Next, if bird, here the example is giving bird. What the bird is flying in the sky. ఎక్కడికి బర్డ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? కింద ఉంటుందా? No, it will fly in the sky. In the sky it will be fly. Playing, eating, food, walking, etc. are the example of situation in which work is progress. తింటున్నా, it is an work. Flying kuda, it is doing with the help of wings. Playing, next walking, this all will come to the work. So next it is a situation which work is progress. It is a situation where the work is in the progress. If a force is applied and the object does not move, then no work has been done. Manamu, a force is not applied here. So if I stand like this, the chalk piece will be right. If I keep like this, chalk piece will be right. No, when the force is applied here, so when I started writing with the help of my force, with my hand to keep force, just if I keep like this, it is writing though. Here it is not applying the force. When I keep the force, then only the objects will be move and the work is being done there. No work has been done. If it is not using the force, the work will be not done in the science. So in science, work is said to be done only when the objects move. So if the, what here it is saying, not move, the no work has been done in the science. Wherever in the science is telling, work is said to be done only when the objects move. In the science, when the objects move, when the work is done. Okay, so ikkada em antunnaru, in the science work is said, pani is said. What is work said? Only when the object is moves. Very good. So this is the work. Okay, so here the amount of work depend on two things. So here he given the amount. Here he given the amount of work is depend upon two things. So rendu two things ante entivi, the work is done into the two things. They depend upon two things. They depends two things. So first one is the amount. The first one is the amount of force applied on it. So first one is. Second one is the distance over which it is applied. So here the amount of force applied on it. Amount of force means whatever we are doing the work, we keep the amount of force on it, then only it is on it. The amount of force is applied on it, whatever work we did. The distance over which it is applied, the distance means it is whatever distance is there when we applied it, the force. So the two amount of works, force is there. The amount of work is depend upon two things, that is the amount of force applied on it, next the distance over which it is applied about the work. So this is the two that depend upon the work. If the work is difficult for us and we are unable to do it, we use tools, devices of simple machines. So whenever the work is not be able to do with us, మనకు సాధ్యం కాని పని tools, what simple machines తోని మనం చేస్తాం. When we are not doing the work with our hands, మనతో సాధ్యం కాని పని దేంతో చేస్తాము? సింపుల్ మెషిన్స్తో చేస్తాము. With the help of simple machines. When we are not unable to do, so when we are not unable to do the work, whatever it is hard work to remove anything or to remove the nuts, whatever the work is there, we are unable to do with the help of simple machines, we will do. We use several simple machines in our daily life. So here we use so much of simple things we have to do. Several simple machines in our every daily life. We use several చాలా సింపుల్ మెషిన్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం మన యొక్క డైలీ లైఫ్లో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీల్, యాక్స్, పుల్లర్, ఇన్సైడ్ ప్లేన్, levers, screws and wedges, all kinds of machines are combined of these simple machines. మనం ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే నట్స్ తీయడానికి, మనతో చేతితో తీయడం రాదు, సో స్క్రూ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద సింపుల్ machines that we use when we are not able to do with our hands or with our force. So this is the lesson, children. Tomorrow I will explain. Tomorrow I will explain more for you simple works, what is the mean by simple machines. Only simple work I am telling. Simple machines anedi tomorrow I will explain what are the simple machines that works with what help of what they will do. So tomorrow I will. Now I will leave my class, children. So please listen whatever I am telling. So please keep interest due to your mind work, and thank you very much. So if you don't have books, please buy the books, that is request for you. Okay, if you have books, it is very easy to read. So thank you very much, children. Thank you.